In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Track123 for order tracking upsell in Shopify. If you're looking for a seamless way to integrate tracking capabilities into your Shopify store and enhance your upselling strategy, you've come to the right place. Let's dive in and get everything set up in a few simple steps. First, let's head over to your Shopify admin dashboard where you'll need to locate the Apps section. This is where you'll find and install various applications to enhance your store's functionality. Once you're in the Apps section, use the search bar to type in Track123 Order Tracking. This tool is specifically designed to help you manage and keep track of the shipments for all your customer orders, providing them real-time updates and thereby adding value to their shopping experience. Once you've typed Track123 Order Tracking into the search box and hit the search button, you should see the Track123 app appearing in the search results. Click on this result to open up the app's page, and here you'll see detailed information about what Track123 can do. It's important to take a moment to read through this information, as it will give you a better understanding of the features and benefits it provides for your store. After reviewing the app information, you'll proceed by clicking on the Install button. You might see a secondary confirmation screen, so be sure to click Install again to confirm your decision. This double-step process ensures that you've considered your choice carefully and truly want this app as part of your Shopify arsenal. Once it's installed, Track123 is getting ready to operate efficiently within your Shopify ecosystem. With the app now installed, the next step is to select a suitable plan that fits your business needs. Apps usually offer a variety of plans ranging from basic to advanced, with differing capabilities and pricing. Carefully examine your business requirements to decide which option works best for you. Consider factors such as the volume of orders you typically handle and the level of functionality you want to provide to your customers. Once you've made your choice, proceed by selecting your desired plan. Now you're ready to start tracking your orders. The Track123 app makes it incredibly easy to monitor the status of your shipments, allowing your customers to receive timely notifications and updates on their purchase progress. Not only does this enhance the customer experience and satisfaction, but it also opens up avenues for you to upsell additional products by integrating targeted offers and recommendations throughout the transaction and shipping stages. That's all it takes to get up and running with Track123 for order tracking upsell in Shopify. By following these steps, you're setting your store up for greater customer engagement and potential increased sales through strategic upselling. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you optimize your store's efficiency and customer service.